Hello, I'm Joasia Cieślak, and today we are going to discuss posture and what you should focus on this week. If you already have an instrument, you can keep the bow inside the case for this talk. First of all, in order to play without an injury, it's important to avoid stiffness, so whenever you sit with a cello, aim to be in a state of a relaxed focus. Pay attention to how your body feels at all times. Just like dancing, learning to do something relaxed takes time because it involves developing new muscle memory, overcoming mental barriers, and building body awareness. It requires consistent practice, patience, and even shift in mindset to move beyond overthinking. So if you catch yourself that you tense, cramp, or artificially push or press, just stop and start again, this time relaxed, please. You want to preserve the level of comfort and playfulness as you gain more knowledge. This is very important. 2. Choose the right type of chair, one from which you can easily stand up. Sit with your legs at 90-degree angle, not too deep into the chair, with both feet flat on the floor, and your feet never pointing inwards. First, learn to consistently feel the ground through your feet and sitting bones while sitting relaxed. 3. Experiment with the cello's position. For my body type, these work best. The end pin length allows me to sit with a collapsed lower back, and the cello and I lean on each other, forming a triangle. My knees keep the cello steady. My neck stays aligned with my spine. The cello scroll, aka the snail, is behind my neck, allowing it freedom to move. You will feel best when you are around the cello as naturally as possible, with symmetrical shoulders and a relaxed waist. 2 obvious observations. The neck of the cello is on the left side of your neck, and on the cello we choose pitches by pressing strings with the fingers of the left hand, while the right hand controls the bow. 4. A cello has 4 strings, from the highest to lowest. A, D, G, C. This week, please find these exact notes on the piano keyboard. In music, the distance between notes is called an interval. The interval between each open string of the cello is a perfect fifth. After listening to this talk, please research what a perfect fifth interval is and how it sounds, and also what an octave is and how it sounds. 5. Broadly speaking, we play the cello in 2 ways. With a bow, which we call playing arco, or we pluck the strings with fingers, which we call pizzicato. The left hand has a thumb and 4 fingers, first, second, third, and fourth. So finally, your task for this week. Your task is to find a comfortable, natural sitting position with the cello and practice using your left hand on the strings around the first position on the fingerboard only. Let's discuss your left hand position on the neck of the cello. Your middle finger should form a circle with your thumb. Keep your thumb relaxed, never squeeze the neck. Practice moving your first finger up and down naturally. Find the natural power that lets you hear the pitch clearly when your finger lands on the string. When the finger lifts before going down, don't artificially lift it. Feel the natural, energetic, and internally powerful movement, like hitting a tennis ball well with a racket. Land your finger relaxed on the string and listen to the pitch after landing. Ask yourself, how relaxed can you be while still hearing the pitch clearly? Do 20 repetitions, then keep the first finger relaxed on the string, not pressing artificially, and then continue with 20 reps of the second finger, then move on to the third and fourth finger. Pay attention to not tensing your thumb or other parts of your body while doing this. Please make sure, are your calves and feet relaxed? Is your lower back collapsed or tensed? Is your face, jaw, tongue, and forehead relaxed? And how's your neck? Keep chill and relaxed as you do this exercise for every finger on every string. As well, this week, 1. Away from the cello, check out resources on the perfect fifth and octave intervals. Listen to each of these intervals separately and together, and as well sing what you hear. 2. Find the cello's open strings on the piano keyboard. 3. Learn what a whole tone and a semitone are by looking at the keyboard. 4. Try playing a C major scale on a virtual piano keyboard and dare to sing the matching pitches as you press the keys. The cello is like a piano keyboard, and the earlier you befriend these two instruments, the better. Above all, enjoy not knowing what you don't know and feel proud of what you're already starting to understand. And if you have any question, feel free to reach out, and see you next week. Buzi buzi.